Hey, stop. Come learn to fry fish with bird pepper or otherwise called wild chili pepper. Yes, don't go nowhere. Stay tuned to this video. Here is the bird peppers. This is my bird pepper tree, and this is the tree I will be taking the chili pepper, aka bird pepper, from to fry the fish. No scotch bonnet pepper today. And it's another outdoor cooking on coal stove right now. This is fireworks. This coal has been popping non-stop. Firework has subsided. It's time to put on the pot and pour oil into it. Now we're going to preheat our oil and add some seasoning, scallion garlic, including the chili, wild chili pepper, aka bird pepper, and a piece of thyme. Why do you think these peppers were called bird pepper? Is it because they are so tiny? The bird beak would be able to pick on it and swallow it at once? Let me know your thoughts into the comments. Now the season has sauteed its aromatic flavors. Yes, all the flavors has been extracted into the hot oil, turning this oil into an aromatic essential oil for cooking, spicy essential oil. Now I'll remove them since they have done their job and add the fishes. Now that I have removed the seasoning from the pot and add the fishes, fry on both sides until golden brown. Do not allow your fish to fry too dry. I know some people like it with a little crisp, but as I said, a little, not too much. That way you can enjoy your fish. But it also comes back to you and what you like. So do what you like. The first two fishes are out. Those two fishes, I've added two more because my pot can only hold two of these size fishes at a time. So I add two more powdered fish. If you have made it this far into the video and you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe and like the video. I appreciate it and it will help me out a lot to grow my channel. So thank you. Enjoy cooking the fishes outside. It is better since I don't have to do much cleaning up after into the kitchen where it's still all over the stove. And you know, everybody know how raw fish is and leave the scent into the house. Now I don't have any of that to deal with, so I think I'm just gonna fry or cook my fish outside all the time. But as of now, I will just try to set up a nice little area with even a tent until something permanent can be organized to cook fish or any other meal that I might choose to cook outside. What do you think? Did you know that bird pepper has its own health benefits? It is good for pain relief. It helps to boost immune system and helps to support cardiovascular system. Yes. So when you see it growing wild in your yard, preserve it. It has its own use.